Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. My name is Jack, one of the Blue Sky Graphics tutors, and it's my absolute pleasure in welcoming you here again today, guys. We're based in Illustrator, and what I want to do is I want to show you how you can build such a logo idea in front of you here today. It's very, very easy. What I want to do is show you how to build this, and then hopefully that'll get the creative flair flowing within inside you for you to create some amazing designs. Okay. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to leave our original design there just so that we can work from it. And I'm going to use our artboard tool here, and I'm just going to add another artboard for me like so. Okay. Now what I want to do first of all is create a nice black background. So what I'm going to do is use our rectangle tool, and I'm going to create a nice rectangle shape over our artboard like so. With that selected, what I'm going to do now is turn that to black. Fantastic. Now what I want to do is I want to lock this to the artboard. Now that is Command 2 on Mac or Control 2 on Windows. So now if I do that, we now have that locked to the artboard. Okay, so what I first need to do is use our ellipse tool, like so, and I'm going to create a nice ellipse, like so, there. What I'm going to do is let's turn that to white. Perfect. Now with the selection tool, I'm going to use the shortcut option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to duplicate our ellipse like so. Now what I want to do is I want to blend these together now. So what I'm going to do with the selection tool is select both the ellipses and use our blend tool here. Okay. And what we're going to do now is click our top ellipse and our bottom ellipse. Fantastic. And as you can see, we have now had these blended. Now, with the direct selection tool, what I'm going to do is select our bottom ellipse here, okay? Because what I'll do is I'll manipulate the size of this. Go back to my selection tool, and I'm going to press Option on the Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the middle, and press Shift at the same time. And as you can see now, you're really affecting that blend. Perfect. Now, currently at the moment, there's too many steps within this particular blend, and I want to change that. I want to minimize the steps. So with it selected, what I'm going to do is now double click on my blend tool, which will bring up my blend options. I'm going to change the spacing here to specified steps. And I'm going to probably bring this down to, let's say, 11. And now we're going to press OK. Now that's what I'm looking for. Fantastic. Now with that all selected now and all sorted out, what I'm going to do is let's expand this. So I'm going to go to Object, Expand. Perfect. And what I want to do now is unite this all into one whole shape. So I want to get our Pathfinder window open. So if I go to Window, I'm now going to go to Pathfinder, and I'm going to use the option of Unite. Fantastic. Okay. Now we have the original dotted line created. I'm just going to sort of minimize this to a point that we can use this using our Shift and Option or Alt to resize from the middle, and Shift to keep it proportionate as well. Okay, let's say we do it about there, right? And what I need to do is I need to create the axis for our line here to rotate on. So I'm going to get the ellipse tool, and I'm going to create an ellipse just down here. Let's align this better. So let's select the both elements like so, and let's use our alignment tool to align it horizontally correct. Fantastic. Now, like I said, I want to continue this rotating upon this axis here. So what I would need to do is I need to have the line selected, okay? And what I'm going to do is I want to use our rotate tool. Shortcut is the letter R, which is situated here. I'm just going to hover over our axis point and find the center point there. As you can see, it tells me. Now, if I press Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows, and if I click, I can now dictate the angle of my rotation. Okay, now what I'm going to do is let's stick with 7.5. And you can have as the angle as you please. And this time, what I'm going to do is not press OK. I'm going to press Copy because I want to keep the original and copy it 7.5 degrees, like so. And now we have a shortcut that can continue that transformation, which is Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. So now if I was to hold down that shortcut, as you can see now, the copy will just continuously rotate upon that axis that I create. Fantastic. Now I can use my selection tool I'm probably going to get rid of our center point now, like so. And let's select everything like here, and using Option to resize and Alt from the windows, resize from the middle and Shift at the same time to perfectly get to a point which I love. And there you go, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Check out our Instagram also as well, at Blue Sky Graphics UK, because you'll get to see some amazing work by our very talented students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.